Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll be building a complete automation in Integrately that will automatically create a weekly summary of your competitors' growth and updates using Perplexity AI, ChatGPT, and Google Docx. Here's the plan. Perplexity will handle the research, ChatGPT will summarize and polish the content, and finally, the document will be auto-created in Google Docx and shared on Slack for quick updates. Let's jump in and see how it's done. First, head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, choose Scheduler as the trigger app. This will run the automation automatically at regular intervals. Next, search for and select Perplexity AI as your first action app. Once you've selected both apps, scroll down to the Automation Builder, confirm your choices, and click Go to proceed. Now, let's add another step to our workflow. Search for ChatGPT, select it, and from the list of available actions, choose Summarize Text. This will allow ChatGPT to process and refine the content generated by Perplexity AI. Next, we'll configure our trigger. Set the schedule frequency to every week and run a quick test to make sure it's working correctly before continuing. Once that's done, let's connect our accounts. Start with Perplexity AI using the default connection, and then securely connect your ChatGPT account by entering the API key. With both accounts connected, select the specific GPT model you want to use for summarization, and move to the next step. Here, we'll provide a detailed prompt to Perplexity AI, asking it to summarize recent events for several companies. Set the appropriate model, define the maximum token length, and then test this step to confirm everything works smoothly. Next, configure Map the AI-generated output from Perplexity into the Text to Summarize field. Once it's mapped, test the summarization to make sure it functions as expected. To store our results, we'll add another app, Google Docx. Select the Create Document action to automatically save the summary. After signing in and authorizing your Google Docx account, choose the active connection to integrate it into your workflow. Then, give your new document a name, for example, DEMO. And map the summarized text from ChatGPT into the document body. Run a quick test to ensure the document is created successfully. Finally, let's add a Slack notification step. Search for Slack, select Send Channel Message, and connect your account. Pick a channel, compose your message, and test it to confirm that notifications are working properly. Once all the steps are configured and tested, you're ready to go live. Click Turn on your automation now to activate your workflow built entirely with Integrately. And that's it. Your competitor growth summary workflow is live with Integrately. From research to reporting, everything runs automatically. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to try it yourself.